The world is running very fast and the construction sector has a huge role in its development. But if excavating becomes an obstacle, you can rely on the Caterpillar. I mean, this Caterpillar. Equipped with 2 Cummins engines weighing 1,000 tons, this beast currently holds the position of the biggest excavator in the world, presenting the giant Caterpillar 6090 FS. Stay tuned till the very end as we're gonna share some magnificent features of this mechanical masterpiece. Hi folks, thanks for tuning in. If you're a fan of big machines and huge constructions, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. That being said, let's start. We all know that excavators are a type of earth-moving machinery used in a variety of applications for lifting and hauling, as well as digging and construction work. The primary components of excavators are the engine, pump, boom, arm, bucket, cabin, and undercarriage. Additionally, excavators are utilized with several specialized attachments, including couplers, grapples, clamshells, cutters, and shears. These big machines are significantly used in a variety of infrastructure, building and development projects. The size of the excavator will vary according to the volume of work that needs to be done, taking into account variables like productivity, fuel efficiency, and multifunctional uses. But its major characteristic is its giant-like size. In Australia, the USA, Canada, or elsewhere, one may typically find these giants around huge mines and quarries. To perform their best, they frequently cooperate in pairs with the largest mining dump trucks. But which one is the biggest among the huge mechanical monster? We've already said that. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is currently the biggest excavator in the world. Because Bucyrus was acquired by Caterpillar in 2011, expanding its mining sector, the model is based on the Bucyrus RH400. The 6090 FS, however, has stronger parts, a strengthened undercarriage, improved hydraulics and oil flow, greater customer service, LED working lights for night shifts, and a cutting-edge onboard excavator. The 6090 FS is significantly bigger than any other hydraulic mining excavator in the market and has a variety of uses for selective digging. In very difficult environments, it provides flexible electric rope shovels. Want to know about its dependability? Let's see. Currently, the 6090 FS averages more than 33,000 operating hours per unit. It already exceeds the 100,000 hour threshold. Its maximum payload is about 90 tons, and that's insane. The 6090 FS is the only hydraulic mining vehicle of 100 tons with a 360-ton loading capacity. It has trustworthy diesel engines. The 6090 FS is nimble and effective thanks to the 260 liters diesel engines that consistently supply power and torque. Combining their efficient use of fuel, these engines provide high uptime in demanding applications like mining. Its twin-engine idea results in improved safety, higher uptime, more productivity, and better serviceability for you. One engine can still be used to produce 65% of the total amount. This is because it can continue to exert force. These hydraulic mining shovels with FS configuration feature a distinctive boom design. It makes use of rotating triangle rockers. This layout allows for quicker cycle periods, a greater lifting force that is effective, and a steady boom momentum. It also has an automated rollback limiter and automatic constant bucket angle. Further, it contains a special independent oil cooling system which offers a more effective cooling method which increases the lifespan of the parts of your hydraulic mining beast, especially in demanding situations. Furthermore, it has a great oil cooling efficiency. The method doesn't rely on return oil and it works effectively thanks to special pumps that have cooling capability whenever necessary, whether the engine is running or not. Thus, even as your engine is running, the ideal oil temperature is maintained. Competitor hydraulic mining excavators only offer cooling when the device is in use. Thus, there is a load on the engine. The system increases efficiency by thermostatically controlling the radiator fan speed. Before oil temperature, the fans do not turn on. And being an awesome hydraulic excavator, it further provides multiple services. Let's check them out. It provides a more dependable and efficient form of excavation than more conventional techniques. Its hydro excavation offers several advantages over conventional yellow iron machinery and manual digging techniques. The dirt and debris on the job site are broken up by high-pressure water and a strong vacuum and then instantly hauled away by being put into the unit's debris tank by hydro-excavation vehicles. Sharp or metal edges, which are to blame for the bulk of digging accidents each year, are never used in this hydro-excavation machine. Without these elements, underground utility damage is less likely to occur when you're using this hydro-excavation vehicle. Despite its size, it has a mind-blowing accuracy. Regarding accuracy, the machine's hydro excavation is frequently carried out using a handheld wand component that uses water to break down the soil. By being so precise, the excavation only affects the precise region of the job site that needs to be excavated. Also, with the accuracy that only hydrovac devices can offer, using this giant hydro excavator ensures that just the area that needs excavation is impacted. Excavations in daylight is one of the most popular applications of this excavator. The method of locating and exposing underground utilities involves digging. This hydro excavation truck breaks up the soil during daylight and removes the waste on site using a suction system. When used appropriately, the water and vacuum interfere with or harm these already existing utilities. This technique is frequently used by contractors to pinpoint the vertical and horizontal locations of subterranean utilities. Let us tell you, for digging trenches in the earth, this beast is excellent. To install cables, pipelines, and other underground facilities, this truck has a technique that involves digging small trenches. These hydrovacs can also complete this task even on icy terrain, which is challenging for a backhoe or trencher. This excavation truck allows users the option to thaw frozen ground using warm water and vacuum the throwing material into the rubbish tank. Perhaps you guys know that a more efficient and non-destructive alternative to trenching in the soil is hydro-excavation. Without damaging neighboring regions or structures, a hydro-excavation vehicle can quickly remove debris and clean out structures. Heavy mechanical components used in conventional excavation equipment frequently require a large amount of space to function effectively. With directions at their fingertips to precisely position the boom in both height and depth, the boom component on this hydro excavation truck gives the operator more freedom and mobility. Including tough waste like pebbles and sand, this device can remove this type of debris in both wet and dry forms. As was already mentioned, the excavator is capable of operating in sub-freezing temperatures. The excavation of this machine is not limited by cold weather, in contrast to manual and conventional digging. Being a hydrovac device, this can break up frozen soil and perform excavation with warm water. Furthermore, the closed-loop swing circuit provides better energy efficiency, quicker cycle times, and reduced heat production. These are some unique benefits over rival machines that use open-circuit swing systems. But what about its energy recovery skill? When the system decelerates, kinetic energy from the swing motion is re-injected, increasing the drive's power. Another unique feature of it is having energy while accelerating. It helps preserve energy during acceleration by supplying a pressure balancing valve that controls the swing pump against the pressure in the closed-loop swing circuit, making sure that only the least amount of oil flow is ever used. Moving on to the other features that have been installed in the machine, the windshield is made of armored glass and all cab windows are made of safety glass. An incorporated safety switch is there in the operator's seat which neutralizes the hydraulic controls when the operator leaves the seat. The cab module's height assures an eye level of roughly 8.8 meters inches, allowing for a superb vision of the digging and the loading zones. Moreover, cab complies with DIN ISO 3449 and the Falling Objects Protection System regulations. The joystick's actuating signals are relayed via the system, producing quick and accurate automated responses that decrease operator exhaustion. It automatically gives simplified troubleshooting results in higher uptime, and it has superior diagnostic skills, etc., which increases user comfort. Operators can easily establish servo control characters to change the suit of their taste. Its quiet and pristine cab surroundings are another distinctive feature that we should definitely mention. Overall, less vibration and more consistent machine movement peaks in pressure. To sum up, it's worth mentioning that heavy-duty materials like earth, rock, and concrete are broken apart and dug through the giant hydraulic excavators. Without them, it would be practically difficult to create highways, tunnels, and other significant buildings on Earth since they're so powerful. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next video.